Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Notion AI. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to your Notion app and then make sure that you log into your account. Now just tap on any template or you can create your own. Now we can add the title. After creating your title, just tap anywhere to your screen to start typing. And then after that, you can see right here at the bottom this magic icon. Just click on here. And then right here, you can type or ask anything to Notion AI. For example, I want to ask Notion AI to write topics for my YouTube videos. You can also do that. Just ask anything to AI and then just wait and it will then generate different topics for you. Just make sure that you include some information that the AI can use to generate your topics. And also, you can see right here this plus icon. Just tap on this one and you can see this many options. You can add task, some headings, code, or even to link a page. Just check it out and see it to yourself and try it. Now we will go back to home page where we can see these templates. You can start to create a quick note, a personal home, to-do list, your task list, and then your journal. Just click on that template and then start writing. You can add a status or you can also add a comment. You can also add a property where you can activate AI summary, AI key info, and then AI custom autofill. This following AI options can help you make your tasks much more easier. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.